Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk about real-time analytics. So we have all heard about real-time analytics. It's a hot topic today. What exactly are the benefits of real-time analytics? Let's look at it. So traditionally companies have how have companies done analytics on their data that they get from operational systems. Now the operational systems that I'm talking about is the typical operation systems at companies are, let's say, your bookings data. This is where companies store information around all the orders that they are processing. Second type of operational data is your pipeline data. This is where all the sales force is storing information about their opportunities. And there could be other source definition data sources, such as your sales hierarchy. Right? So when a company is interested in looking at doing any types of analysis, it extracts data from all these different sources and then runs analytics models on those to derive some meaningful business insights. Now the problem with the operational data systems is that you're dealing with large volumes of data, millions and millions of rows. So until and unless your data sources are optimized, it's really difficult to get very short query times. So that's the reason typically from these operational systems, if you're looking at deriving any insights, you go through a process called ETL. So ETL stands for extraction, transform, and load. So through this process, you're able to extract what are the relevant attributes for your model, and you're able to apply any algorithms that are required, and then you load it into your data warehouse. So the key advantage going through this step is that the data that you're dealing with is much more smaller subset compared to the data source, the volume of data across all these different operational systems. And as a result, your query times are much more meaningful. You're able to run your queries and get it within a reasonable amount of time. So from ETL, it's going into the data warehouse, and now you're able to conduct your analytics on this data warehouse. Now the challenge with this is whenever there is a new business need. So for example, the business decides that, okay, earlier we have been looking at attribute A in bookings data source, attribute B in pipeline, and we were trying to do some analysis, and now they decided that, okay, for this new business need, they believe that they also need to look at two other additional attributes in bookings. Now to be able to do that analysis, they have to engage with ETL team to change the ETL scripts. They have to engage with the data warehouse team to change the data schema, and to do both these activities, they have to work with the IT teams, and that leads to significant time delays. So as a result, if they want to get any quick insights, it's practically not possible. So we are talking about a delay of anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months. It's really so the business is completely at the mercy of IT at this point. Now what real-time analytics provides is it completely allows you to cut down these two steps. So with real-time analytics, the operational data sources, you're able to feed in all your data attributes from your operational systems without doing any of the ETL or optimizing your data warehouse. So one of the real-time analytics solutions is actually HANA. So this is a SAP solution, and you are able to make all the entire data source available in your operational systems available in real-time basis. And whenever there's any change in your analytics model, you don't have to go through the steps of modifying your ETL scripts, changing your data warehouse schemas to derive any meaningful insights. So this is the key advantage of real-time analytics, where the business is really able to move as soon as it thinks about a new analytics model, it's able to implement it. Thanks.